be something about the free food. Anyway, the 50/50's now closed. I hope everybody had enough to eat tonight. God, it was great. Thank you all. You always do a great job. We appreciate it. It's lots of fun for Thanksgiving. We'll make a couple of announcements, and then we'll give away some prizes and cash. Brea Holiday Car Show, Sunday, December 2nd. We have flyers on that. American Legion Riders, Chapter 716, the 8th Annual Fundraiser Breakfast. We have flyers on that. They're doing a breakfast this year, and the proceeds will go to, I believe, the vets. We have flyers on that. Cruise in Laverne Holiday Car Show, Saturday, November 24th. Flyers on that. The Benedict Castle Car Show coming up March 3rd. We have flyers on that. Bill and Anna's Show, the first Saturday of every month. Coming up, let's see, on December 3rd. Up at South Street, at Rosewood Restaurant, South Street and the 605 freeway. Bill's going to have a great table up there. Many of the prizes he's going to have on that table he won here a couple weeks ago. So we can verify that they're great prizes. Spark of Love Toy Drive, Sunday, December 8th. We have flyers on that. Angelo's Car Show, Brookhurst and Ball, every Thursday. We have flyers on that. A toy drive, November 24th. The Vejitos. We have at Imperial Burgers in Buena Park. We have flyers on that. The Vejitos. Is this the same one? Oh, they're having a dance right here. $30 for the Vejitos Christmas dance. So I believe they've got live entertainment. If you're out and about. Also, we have flyers on our Friday night show here. Tonight is Big Screen Friday. So we give away a 55-inch TV most every Friday night. This Sunday, Picker's Paradise right here. If you've got a load of stuff to sell or just a few things to sell, it's $20 to sell, $1 to get in. Starts at 6 a.m. A lot of fun, so come on down. Also, Tuesday night at Carl's Jr., Beach Boulevard and Trask from 4 till 8. We have a new show going over there. It is doing extremely well. So on Tuesday night, if you get a chance, drop over and see us. We're giving away a 55-inch TV over there most every night, too. Been getting anywhere from 60 to 80, 85 cars, unless the wind's blowing real hard. So anyway, we'll be there this week unless it's raining.
Or the wind.
Okay. Our 50-50 tonight, $1,825. We'll have one drawing for $500, one drawing for $413. Our driver's drawing, $810. We'll have one drawing for $105, three drawings for $100. Our top three prizes tonight, 55-inch TV, the Keurig coffee maker, and the Coca-Cola gift pack. Everything else, fair game from ticket one. We do have our turtle back for a while. He'll look good under any tree.
Yeah, bicycle too.
This bicycle is every year, the last 4 or 5 years, we have done a collection. This is for bicycles for Navy and Marine veterans that are deployed from Camp Pendleton. Bicycles are $35 each. Last year, I believe we gave around 30 bikes. How many?
38.
38 bicycles to the Navy and Marines at Camp Pendleton. All we ask is a little donation if you can. If you can't, we understand. But it goes to a great cause. These guys and gals are over deployed, so anything we can do to help them.